Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling core permissions so location sharing works reliably. First, turn on location services and background app refresh. This keeps updates coming even when the app is closed. Next, sign into the app with your account and verify your device name so friends recognize you. Finally, enable Share My Location and grant the app permission to access location while using or always. This avoids gaps. Once done, you're ready to add a contact, and now you add people and control how long you share. Tap Add or Share Location, type the contact name, phone, or email, then send a request. Choose a duration, 1 hour, until end of day, or indefinite, based on privacy needs and why you're sharing. Once you send, the other person must accept. You'll see their status change when they do. Make sure to explain why you're sharing if they ask. Acceptance unlocks live location and optional notifications like arrival alerts. Finish by viewing and managing shared locations smoothly. Open any contact to see live location, get turn-by-turn directions, or play a sound to help find a device. You can stop sharing immediately from the contact screen or adjust notifications for when someone arrives or leaves a place. If a location looks stale, toggle location services or background app refresh, restart the device, and check cellular or Wi-Fi. This fix resolves most sync issues quickly, so sharing resumes normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.